All right, now the question is, sometimes some sort of what do we call them, scammers, hackers, and these bad people, what do? They leak the answer sheets, listening answer sheet and reading answer sheet. Now how do you feel if a night before exam you receive an answer key and answers are written there? Number 1 car, number 2 London, number 3 this, number 7 A, number 8 B, number 9 C. Okay, question number 11, answer is this and answer is that, and you cram all the answer sheet overnight, all 40 questions, right? Same is the case with reading. And when you go there in actual IELTS exam, you just pretend you are solving, but you know all the answers already. You write the answers there, okay? Reading answers, listening answers, and all that. Okay, this is what you wanted to know. This had happened in the past with the help of test center staff, because you know this test comes to test center beforehand, and sometimes some of the test center staff, they know which test, because they repeat the test. It's not that every time there is a new test, sometimes they repeat the test. So test center staff, they know that this test is the previous one, right? And then they have the answer key and they sell answer key, and what do they do? Like, what did they do actually? It is not happening now. They have candidates, for example, 50 candidates bought answer keys. They will take them to a room in a hotel a night before exam. They will give them answer key, and those 50 candidates are without mobile phone. No mobile, nothing else, right? They will search you and say, okay, this is the answer key, learn it, right? You're there all night, you stay there, you sleep there. Next morning, they take you to test center because they don't want the answers to be leaked on WhatsApp. Okay, otherwise everybody's got it. Now, this has happened in the past, and then you know, in IELTS is not a baby. Cambridge is not a baby that you can befool them or you can do anything. They have quality checks on IELTS test result. Now, for example, if Umar appeared in IELTS test, he got 8 band in listening, 8.5 band in reading, speaking band 5. Understand? Speaking band 5, because in speaking there is physical examiner. Now you cannot leak speaking paper because it depends on the examiner. Now, for example, if I am the examiner, I've got all the things here. I can pick up anything. For you, I can pick up any cue card. For you, I can pick up any speaking part 1 question. So you cannot cheat them. Now, whenever there is 1 to 2 band difference in one module, and the other one is higher, one is, for example, speaking band is 5, writing band is 5, listening and reading 7.58. There is inquiry on that. Okay, now they check and they recheck, and then they check your question booklet, they check your answer key, they say whether you marked any points on question booklet or not. They check your answer key, match it. Once one of my students was called upon and he went to British Council, they gave him another listening test and they said solve it now. And when he solved the test, he had only 10 to 12 correct answers, and later on his test was cancelled. So now this practice is totally out of question, just because of this thing. Because you can never buy, even you can buy writing answer sheet, writing answer key, like question booklet, and then you know, once somebody offered me that we will give you very handsome salary and good package. Your job is a night before exam you will come to our place and there you will write sample answers. 1 answer for band 5, 1 answer for band 6, 1 answer for band 7. We will give you the topic of essay writing, letter writing, report writing. I understood immediately that I will write the answer, students will cram the answer, and they do another thing. If 2 answers are similar, for example, I wrote an answer of band 6 and you copied the same answer, you copied the same, they will check. If there are similarities, again it's going to go through inquiry. So buying answer key is not going to help you. At the end, they will not see, you cannot say, oh, I bought answer keys from him. They will not blame him because you bought answer keys, you are responsible, you will be banned, your test will be cancelled, result will be delayed and all that. So until now, there is no number 2 of IELTS. I mean, if you ask me, if you say, sir, I can pay you as much as you like and we'll do, I want to get IELTS done, right? No, not possible. Not possible at all. You will be caught. One of the students, he had this, the test center was actually sold. Invigilators and the staff, they were all sold. And later on they realized after 2 to 3 years, and a student who was settled in UK, his IELTS test result was cancelled and he was deported from there after 3 years. After 3 years. So if you take number 2 degree of IELTS, the first thing is no one is going to verify that degree. Every day students send me message, sir, check this IELTS certificate, is it real? And I say I can't do it because there is no one can verify IELTS test result. It's only Cambridge and their partner universities, and partner universities do not have access. They send IELTS TRF to Cambridge and the Cambridge is going to say yes, it's real. And yes, it's fake. Another student of mine, he bought this IELTS certificate, he sent it to Cambridge, to a university, he paid his fee, everything. And after 5-6 months, they told him your IELTS certificate is fake. And then he had a lot of trouble and all that. So remember, no number 2. You cannot get 8,777 by paying $800. Another story on Facebook and Instagram. You can buy IELTS certificate in $800, $1,000. Not possible at all.
UAE also it's happening.
Yeah. It's all fake. Everything is fake. I'm telling you. Even if they give you the certificate, because they can Photoshop anything for you, but you never can. Verify that certificate. And when you present it somewhere, it's going to be you who is going to be guilty, not the person who gave you the certificate. You cannot become innocent there. I don't know, I paid the money, he gave me the certificate. No. If you're presenting a fake currency note, a counterfeit currency note, so you are responsible for that, not the other person. Okay, so never think about that. Okay. All right, thank you.